In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Envato AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to find the creative tools you need all in one place without getting lost in menus. Start by opening your browser and heading to elements.envato.com. This is the Envato Elements Hub, where the AI tools live alongside the usual stock assets. Give the page a moment to load. Along the top, you'll see the main navigation bar. That's where you'll access the AI features we're focusing on today. Next, look for the Gen AI dropdown in the top navigation and click it. This menu groups Envato's AI creation tools so you can jump straight to what you want to make. If the menu isn't obvious at first glance, try widening your browser window so the full navigation appears. The idea here is simple. Pick your creative task, and the right tool opens with settings tailored to that medium. From the Gen AI menu, you can choose Image Gen to create images from text prompts. Be as specific as you can. Describe the subject, style, lighting, camera angle, color palette, and mood. Clear, concrete nouns and strong verbs usually produce the best results. If you see options for size or aspect ratio, match them to your intended use so the composition fits from the start. Image Edit lets you upload an existing picture and modify it. Typical controls include background removal, object replacement, or extending the scene. Precise selections and short, direct instructions usually lead to cleaner edits. High-resolution uploads give the model more detail to work with. VideoGen is your gateway to generating short video clips. Describe motion, scene setting, and pacing. Think in terms of actions and atmosphere. If duration or aspect ratio controls are available, choose what suits your platform. Short previews help you judge timing and transitions before you commit. Music Gen creates royalty-cleared music based on genre, mood, and instrumentation. Mention tempo, style, and key instruments for better coherence. If there is a length control, align it with your video or podcast segments so you spend less time trimming later. Voice Gen produces voiceovers from your script. Specify tone and language where available, and use punctuation to shape natural pauses. If a word is tricky to pronounce, spelling it phonetically in your text can help the model get it right. Graphics Gen focuses on logos and vector-style assets. Describe layout, shapes, colors, and where the graphic will be used, web, print, or social. So the tool aims for the right clarity and scale. That's the tour. Go to elements.envato.com, open the Gen AI menu at the top, and choose Image Gen, Image Edit, Video Gen, Music Gen, Voice Gen, or Graphics Gen to get started. Explore, refine your prompts, and create confidently.